In this video, I want to share with you 10 free cornhole prompts and 100 cornhole crossover niche ideas that you can use for your merch on demand business, all for free. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print on demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch on demand and other print on demand platforms. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those free cornhole prompts, just want to do a quick sales update for merch on demand. So today is Tuesday, March 18th, 6:16 a.m. in the morning. I already got 2 sales, but yesterday was a pretty good day. I did 40 sales, $92 in royalties. Just the past few days have really picked up. So on Thursday I did $160, then it was $88, $87, and then $139. So that is good to see. That is going to put me at a total of 788 sales for the month of March and $1,250 in royalties, and we still got about 2 weeks left in the month. Now if you want to follow me on Instagram, you can follow me here. Click the link in the description. Here I post my daily sales for both merch on demand and Etsy. I also post like family pics, gym pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. Okay, let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So my second all-time bestseller on merch on demand is actually a cornhole shirt. We have cornhole season coming up in spring and summer, so I thought I'd share with you some ways on how you can make money in this niche with some prompts and some crossover niche ideas. If we just go to Merch Dominator and just type in cornhole in the product search section, featured, and hit enter, we're going to see cornhole has some pretty good BSRs, and this will sell all year round, whether it's Christmas, probably not so much in January and February, but Christmas, spring, summer, and even fall. People like to play this sport during the summer and barbecue. So here we can see 414, 781. So let me go ahead and jump on over to Ideogram. So right here are the prompts, and you can actually download these for free on my PayHip shop. So just click the link in the description. You're going to see 10 free cornhole prompts. It's free right here. I'm also running a sale, 50% off on all my other prompts. So if you want to get like 100 prompts for May, you can get those for only $7.50. I also have some for Earth Day. Those are free. Maybe wall art prompts, Easter prompts. So check around if you're interested. Let's go back to Ideogram here and take a look at those prompts. So here we got never underestimate the old guy. This is actually a pretty popular phrase with other niches. You can do never underestimate the old guy and just put kind of almost any hobby or sport will work well, whether it's basketball, whether it's surfing. So good phrase right here. This is my lucky cornhole shirt. This is another popular phrase where you say this is my lucky, and then you just pop in the niche right here, put shirt after. Here we got just one more game, I promise. Here we're taking cornhole and we're crossing it with grandpa. So I may be a grandpa, but I'll still kick your butt at cornhole. That's a pretty funny one. Another popular phrase is world's okayest, and then you pop in the niche. So here we're doing cornhole, world's okayest cornhole player. This one I really liked. I'm a dad that runs on Jesus and cornhole. So here we're cross-niching Jesus or Christianity with cornhole. So really going right there. Cornhole queen and cornhole king. I've talked a lot about this, where you can just take almost any niche, whether it's food, hobbies, and just put the word queen or king after it. Even squad works as well. Whisperer. Now you do have to check those for trademark, but for the most time they're safe. So cornhole queen, the legend has arrived. Cornhole king. And then we have this simple design right here that says the talent has arrived. And then this one we're taking cornhole, cross niche with beer. A lot of people like to have some beers, play cornhole, barbecue. You could also do like cornhole and barbecue, and that would work as well. So cornhole and beer, that's why I'm here. This is a popular phrase that rhymes and works well. So here are 10 free cornhole prompts that you can use. And one thing that you'll notice is that 4 of them have this retro sunset. So that's something that you want to take note of. This is another very popular design style that we've seen worked very well. I remember when this first started, like 5 years ago, people started doing the retro sunset and just absolutely took off. So if you're interested, you can go ahead and download those, like I said, from the PayHip shop. Now let's go ahead and take a look at these 100 cornhole crossover t-shirt ideas, which is this Word file right here. And the way I actually got all these cornhole crossover t-shirt ideas is from my GPT. So if you're part of my school community, you have access to my GPTs. Now you do have to have a paid membership with ChatGPT Plus. It's $20 a month, but this is a really cool GPT where you can just pop in a niche and it will give you 100 cross niche ideas. So it's called Mikey's Crossover Merch Machine, and it creates distinctive t-shirt design ideas by combining user selected niches with 100 predefined niches. Now I do have to put a disclaimer on it because even though it does know not to use any words that are trademark, I also copied and pasted the terms of service so it knows like what to do and what not to do, but it's not 100% perfect, so you still have to just always double check for trademark. That's why I put that disclaimer there. But what you can do is you can just type in a niche. So let's go with cornhole, and you just hit enter. You can also upload a design, put in a phrase. It's actually pretty cool what it can do. And what it's going to do is going to just tell us how this is a great niche, and it's going to spit out 100 crossover niche ideas with phrases and what to design for. So let's see what it comes up with. Now I'll create 100. Okay, so here we go. So first it starts with health and wellness. And I'm just going to go ahead and pause the video because it kind of takes a while. Okay, so here we got some examples. So right here we got health and wellness. So healthcare cornhole, bag toss therapy, the best medicine, with the doctor tossing cornhole bags into a giant pill bottle. I have to admit the GPTs can be pretty creative. Here we got one that's taking yoga and crossing it with cornhole, Zen and the art of bag toss, featuring a cornhole player in a lotus pose. A weightlifting and cornhole, so cornhole gains with a strong man lifting a cornhole board like a barbell. Parenting cornhole, couples cornhole, love at first toss. That's pretty funny, featuring a couple throwing bags shaped like hearts. Anniversary wedding cornhole, we're the perfect pair, like bags and boards with wedding rings as the cornhole target. And when I did, I just went ahead and copy and pasted these and put it onto this Word file right here. And the ones that are underlined are the ones that I thought were pretty clever. So here we got retirement cornhole, retired and cornholing, full time with a hammock and cornhole set. Teacher cornhole, so anytime you take teacher and cross niche with another niche, that's a good recipe for success for merch on demand. So tossing knowledge and bean bags with a chalkboard design. Here we got math cornhole. Cornhole is 90% angle and 10% luck with a diagram of perfect bag trajectory. Let's see if we can find some other good ones that I liked here. Bartending cornhole, drink bags and cornhole swags with a cocktail and cornhole board. So you see it gives us these really good ideas because, you know, me, I'm not really the most creative person, and so having a tool like this really helps me, you know, come up with ideas that not too many other people might have thought about. So cooking cornhole, cornhole and grill master with flames and bean bags. Barbecue cornhole, barbecue and cornhole, a perfect match with ribs and cornhole set. And it just keeps going. You know, we got hobbies and interests, animals and nature. What I did is I took mainly the main niches for merch on demand. So right here you're going to see like health and wellness, family and relationships, education and knowledge, careers and professions, art and creativity, food and drink, hobbies and interests, animals and nature, entertainment and pop culture, social and political topics, beliefs and inspiration, sarcasm and humor, paranormal and mystical, events, special occasions, and then miscellaneous. All right, so what you can do here is you can get some ideas and you can run with it. You can make your own design, use your own creativity to design something. You can just take like something like this. Actually, I think I saw a pretty funny Bigfoot one. Yeah, so Bigfoot cornhole. Bigfoot plays cornhole. You just can't see him with a blurry silhouette. So that's a pretty funny one right there. So you can take this and you can pop this into, GPT, get a nice prompt, or you can maybe just take it like this and just pop it into ideogram and get a design just like that. So really cool what you can do with AI these days. So if you're interested, you can go ahead and download this Word file right here on my PayHip shop. They are both completely for free. And again, if you're interested in any other prompts, I got 50% off for today only. The ones that would make the most sense would probably be like these holiday prompts, because we got Easter coming up, we got Earth Day coming up, we got autism. So you can get all these for less than $5 right here. So that's a pretty good deal. Then I also have these bundles. So if you're looking for a deal, I got like 500 evergreen prompts for only $12.50. And then if you're looking for like monthly prompts, you get 100 prompts for May and 100 prompts for April for only $7.50. So if you're interested, link is in the description. Now I want to share with you a little bit about my SKOOL community. So if you're struggling to get sales on merch on demand, or you just need help, with niches, prompts and just understanding how this whole merch on demand thing works, you might want to consider joining my SKOOL community. So if you don't know what SKOOL is, it's basically a paid Facebook group, but on steroids. And when you become a member on my SKOOL community, you're going to get daily niches and prompts every day, both evergreen and trending. So right here, you're just going to see every day I'm putting out niches, and usually I do 4 niches a day, 2 trending, 2 evergreen, and they also come with prompts as well. So that's really going to help you come up with ideas, because it all starts with the niche. What are we going to design for? And so if you don't really know what to design for, or if you get stuck, this niche service that I provide is going to help, and it's every day. I never take a day off. Doesn't matter whether it's Christmas, my birthday, the weekend. You're always getting niches every day, both trending and evergreen, with prompts. And then you also get access to the classroom, and I've really been trying to focus on this and adding a lot of value. So it's basically like just a big resource hub for merch on demand sellers. So we have how to do A to Z prompt creation, how to write listings, my 3 best design styles for evergreen niches. This is a really good one, because it actually give you the PNG files and the PSD files that you can use. So if you like evergreen niches, this is a really good one. Just how to protect your merch account. Then I got 30 proven animal phrases and 30 proven food phrases. I'm also going to be adding a career and job professions. You also get my 100 prompts for April. So I'm going to start doing these for each month, where you get 100 prompts for whatever month is coming up in the future. And then it's also going to come with a Word file of all the trending niches, just to help you. Then you also get access to all my GPTs, and this one is really cool right here, the SEO Keyword Vault. All you have to do is just upload your design, and it will make you a really rich SEO keyword listing with brand, title, bullet 1, bullet 2, and a loaded description. I made videos about this before. You can check it out. Then you get access to my other GPTs. So this is a good one for prompts, where you can take a design and it will give you ways that you can switch up the prompt to differentiate yourself. This one is how you can get keywords for your ads. Mikey's crossover merch niche. This one is what I just showed you. And then I made this Faith T ones. I'm going to be making more like these as well, where you can, it's basically for a specific niche. So whether it's cats, dogs, faith, baseball, basketball, things like that. This is a bonus that you get just for signing up, 100 evergreen niches. And then here are all my holiday prompts. So the more you the more you comment, and share, the more you engage, you get all of my prompts right here. You can level up. And then we also do a once a month mastermind group. I'm thinking about maybe doing more of these a month, just to kind of connect everybody. But as of right now, we got one coming up at the end of this month on Friday. And it's going to be an hour-long mastermind, where we just go ahead and get together and basically bounce ideas off each other and ask each other questions. So if you're interested, the link is in the description. It's only 80 cents a day or $24 a month. You can cancel at any time. So if you're interested, check it out. If not, it's all good. I will continue making free content on YouTube. But that's going to be the video for today. Watch this video up here. It's going to be about the GPT for SEO listings for merch on demand. Okay, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.